マーティンさんこの家で生まれ育ったわけですよね。
Yes, this is the place where I grew up as a child, and my father lived here, my grandfather, so we go back many generations in this little spot here. And it was originally a little thatched cottage here, and my grandmother was a musician also, and my uncle-in-law Paddy Canny just lived about a mile and a half up the road there. So there was a lot of music in this locality. And
どうやってフィドルをどういうふうな形で始められたんですか？
Yeah, I started playing here with my father. I would sit across from him, and he would play a few bars of a tune and say, "You want to give that a try?" And so I would look, I would listen. So we didn't even transmit music by written music. We did everything by ear, and we did everything, on the spot. And I would spend a lot of time playing on my own as well.